When teachers follow a few simple design rules as they create learning materials, students don't spend valuable brain power trying to understand how the lesson is organized. Instead, they are freed up to participate in the cognitive, social, and emotional work we want them to focus on. Here are 4 teacher-tested tips to follow when creating materials for your students. Use font size and color to focus student attention on the most important information. Limit yourself to 2 fonts that are easy to read. Use contrasting colors for background and text to make sure everything's legible. Simple annotations like arrows or circles can provide important visual cues, but use photos, graphs, and charts only when they contribute to the learning. Think about the last time you decluttered your space. You probably felt calmer, more organized, and even invigorated. Bring that same sensation to your learning materials. Take a hard look. Has every word earned its place on the page? Do you have a wall of text? If so, break it up using bullet points or lists, and don't be afraid of some empty space, which can give students the breathing room to focus on what's important. Most students are navigating through a mountain of materials. It's helpful if the layout feels familiar so they know where to find things every time. Of course, the content changes regularly, but organizing it and communicating it in a similar way will reduce the cognitive load on students trying to get started. Think of it like cooking in a familiar kitchen. When you know where all the tools and ingredients are, you can make a beautiful meal faster and more successfully. In an online setting, it is critical not to bury information under a bunch of clicks. Assess the page. Have you made it difficult for students to access information, or is it truly at their fingertips? Will your students easily be able to get back to where they came from? If you need a student to click, embed the link right in the text with a clear description of where they're going. By elevating what is most important and getting rid of what is not, you'll be guiding your students to success.